I thought I'd show you something. You've probably seen these before. SWR meters. There's the name of it. Type. I bought this a couple years ago for this radio that I have here. This Cobra 19 TX4. And the cable I had made for it. The problem with it, my SWR kept going up high. I thought it was the antenna. I thought it was a radio. But apparently, when I got this here, this radio, the Cobra 29 LTD, it has its own SWR meter. Call, SWR, and all that inside it, built in. I hooked this up to the antenna. It's flat. But you know, when it rains, it goes up naturally. But on dry days, the SWR is completely flat. When I hook up this to this radio, this to this, the SWR is flat, but with this, the SWR is high. So I did some research, and I found out that these things are supposed to be shielded inside. When I opened it up, I noticed this. Just give me a moment here. Take the screws out. There's no shielding. Just regular wires. Plain old wires. They're solid wires, but they're not shielded. I talked to a guy who works on radios and stuff and that online. And he said, well, he had one of these cheapies, and he replaced it. All these wires to a shielded wire. This is a shielded wire, like this is a shielded wire. There's got to be a shield in them to cut down the frequencies. So, it's stiff, and it's shielded. This wire is shielded. So, what I'm planning to do is unsolder all these connectors one at a time and hook these up to this, wire these to this, and hopefully it works. So it's not the radio, it wasn't this radio, I thought it was this radio was causing the problem to my antenna for having the SWR high. It's this little box. That's why this thing is about maybe $20 to $30, and if you go higher in prices on these SWR meter, it's shielded better. This is just a solid wire and there's no shield. So I'm planning to disconnect the stuff in here and go from there and see how it works. So I won't bore you with all the soldering, so I'll just turn it off and come back. Again, here's my radio. Here's the call. Here's the SWR on channel 1. Nice and flat. Dry day, 40. Call. It's right on there. SWR. Nice and flat. Okay. Here's the meter. There's the call on 40. I got the SWR on my thing set. See it go up. Now, saying 2. And that's up on 2 too. So, it's the box. Put on 1. It's almost up on up on almost on 3. I don't know if I put it down there would make a difference or not. You can see it. No, still the same. So, this little box, don't buy them. They're cheap as crap. You can play with SWR all you want with them. I'll burn up my radio. So, there's people talking. Was station right here, but now I want to disconnect it and I'm going to hook back up to the radio. So now I go into the small radio. It's set on 40, about 1.3. Put it on 1, check it, need to go up a bit. That's good. Almost up there. So what I'll have to do, if I wanted to, for this meter, is go back just my antenna, up or down, to regulate to this cheap ass multimeter. But where say it's on this one, it's flat. This meter is, don't buy them. There's other ones out there a little bit more expensive that are shielded. Or just go get a radio that's going to get an SWR meter in it. Already built in. They're better. These things, they're alright, but you have to get a good box that works with your radio. What's up on 2? So anyway, I thought I was showing an example. Ooh, my fat finger in the way. So anyway, this thing here, it's alright. But it's best to, if you're going to get a radio, cheap ass radio, best get a good meter that works great. This one here, I don't know why I bought it. I thought it worked great, but apparently it's not the radio or the antenna, it's this little thing. I can play, like I said, play with the antenna up and down to find out if it works great. But where I have this set here, works alright, but it works great too. People can hear me. I'm using a tram antenna, I'll show you after. And I doctored up a speaker right there so I can hear people talk, because down there it's hitting the door and I can't hear it too well, so I just put that and hooked up here. So in conclusion, if you're going to buy an SWR meter, these are alright unless you want to shield them somehow, change the wiring in these, or fiddle all you want with an antenna, cut it, or whatever, get new rods for them. Anyway, that's about it.